Adjust the heat and seasoning to your liking, and for a creamier texture, stir in about third of a cup of low-fat Greek yogurt. Totally optional, but it adds a nice richness. Alright, let me show you. Here's how I love serving my Chipotle beef to myself. Well, if you enjoyed this, tap subscribe. A mini run of beef recipes is coming next, plus some meat-free winners for my veggie friends. Watch another skillet right here to keep cooking with me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Until next episode, stay healthy and take care.